Welcome to Swathi Vlogs. Today we are cooking corn samosa. Come, let's start cooking. Take 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Quantity depends on samosa count. Add salt as per taste. Now add 2 tablespoons of preheated oil. Mix it well. Add water in small quantities while mixing to avoid overwatering. Once the dough is soft and ready, keep it aside for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare samosa stuffing. Now grab pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 cup chopped onions. Once the onions are cooked, add capsicum and saute. Now add half tablespoon of chili flakes. Now add a pinch of cumin seeds. Once the veggies are cooked, add corn and mix it well. I used sweet corn, so did not boil it. If you're using country corn, boil it and then add it to this. Now add salt as per taste. Add half tablespoon of chaat masala and add half tablespoon of garam masala and add half cup of poha and mix it well. Finally, add coriander leaves and mix it well. Now spread the corn mixture in a plate and let it cool down. Now take a cup and add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add water and mix it well until it has a thick texture. This is used to seal the samosas. Now take the dough and press it well. Then partition it into small pieces. Now press the dough balls and roll until they are thin and sleek. If they are not thin, you will lose the crispiness on the samosa. Once they are rolled well, take the pan and heat 5 seconds on either side. After heating them, cut them into equal pieces. Now homemade samosa wraps are ready. If you don't want to prepare them, then you can buy in stores. Now take a samosa wrap and fold it to the samosa shape, applying paste we prepared with all-purpose flour. Now add the samosa stuffing and seal the samosa. Now grab a pan and add an adequate amount of oil. Once the oil is hot, slow down the flame and add samosa. Cook it on low flame to avoid cracking of samosa. Once it turns to golden brown, then you can take them off the oil. Now your corn samosa is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe for more delicious content. Thank you for watching.